What is up, guys? Back with another video. We've got the GoPro mounted on the dash. It's like it's a dead GoPro because I can't get it connected to anything. It works, but I can't get it connected to the app. I think the firmware is too old. But what I've been doing is I've been sticking it on my dashboard when I park, make people think I'm watching them. It's like, I just thought it looked cool. So I just finished up at the gym. It's Sunday. It is, I think, around noon. I don't even know what time it is, but way later than my normal time that I'm getting out of here. But I just did my wife's program. Same workouts as yesterday, the core stuff, no cardio. But today I had to hit the 1 rep maxes. So the plan she gave me is only a 5-day plan. But because I missed a day, and then yesterday I skimped and I did just the core part and I didn't do my 1 rep max. Today's day 7 and I'm doing my 5th day. So tomorrow's day 1, so I gotta get back on track. So I'm gonna throw it up on the screen, the workout that I just did. Shout out to the guy who commented and said he did the workout, and he's like, dude, it was hard. He's like, the legs were hard. It is hard. I'm telling you, if you do it thorough, her workouts are hard. And my core, I never really felt my core so much the way I have. But I'm gonna throw my 1 rep maxes up on the screen. I'm embarrassed because my form, I'm struggling in all of them. But you guys, I know you might say, be careful, you're gonna hurt your back, or wear a belt. I know all those things, I'm gonna. And I don't know what else you guys are gonna say, but just check it out. So the squat, it was 365. The bench was 315, but I don't think it counts because the guy, he gave me a massive hand with it. But he told me he barely touched it, but I think he touched it more than he's saying. But shout out to that dude. I'm gonna put him on. I'm gonna shout out his Instagram. He was a cool guy. We talked for a minute, so that's on the screen. And then what else did I do? Oh, and then I did deadlift. The deadlift was 455. I think it was 455. It was 4 45s on either side and 25s. I think it's 455. Ooh, the turbos. Oh, I love that sound, dude. I like that too, the snap, crackle, pop. I just love 911s. I just love them. So I'm getting the fitness dialed in. Now I got to get the food dialed in. And then we got to get the stocks dialed in, and we got to stack the cash. The investing's not even the first part, guys. The income, we got to get the income up. If you guys are like feeling like you don't have enough income to invest because you have just enough to get by or to pay your bills, make sure you pay off the debt first. When you pay off the debt, it's going to open up a bunch of income. Once the debt's gone, you're going to free up all this extra income, and it's going to be there for investing or whatever else you need. Emergencies, you know, your family, maybe experiences. So let's get the debt freed up. High yield debt. I don't know about student loans. I get a lot of questions online about student loans. My wife had some student loans. We paid them off years ago. But you know what? When I talk about this stuff, I'm very aware of the fact that we never could have paid any of our debt off because I wasn't making enough income. So what was happening was I was going to One Main Financial, okay, in Catonsville, Maryland, and I was consolidating all of our debt into one big personal loan. I did it like 5 times. And then I would like pay this one big payment because I thought, oh, it's so much easier to make this payment. But I wasn't even aware the interest rate was like way higher. I didn't know what I was doing. And we were never able to really pay off the debt. We never touched our student loan debt. And then we finally were able to catch up and breathe when I had the extra income coming in. So if you guys keep playing around with the same bottom line, you're never going to be able to pay this stuff off. You know what I mean? Unless you get very organized and lower your expenses, unless you start to live extremely small, like way lower cost to everything. Maybe you sell stuff. Look around your house. Is there stuff in your garage? Go on Facebook Marketplace. Anything you can. Start selling stuff. Just try to get the debt paid down if you have any debt. But focus on making more income. People will obsess over the debt and they'll go to work and come home. And I'll tell you right now, if you don't stretch yourself and push yourself, you're not gonna make the extra income you need. It's almost like the pain and suffering has to outweigh. Throw a little bacon on top of my meat salad. You guys are probably getting grossed out. Guys, I'm going to the office to do some work, but I can't record the videos of Shopify because it's too chaotic in here. Unless you guys want me to do it while they're screaming in the background. All right, guys, I'm just gonna show you real quick. You just go to Shopify.com, okay? And you literally click start free trial. Start free trial. Later on, I'll go more in depth. Look, sign up with email, sign up with Google account, sign up with Facebook. I clicked sign up with Google. Guys, so I signed up with my Gmail account. If you guys don't have an email, just go to Gmail and just make an email. It's a tongue twister. So then you're gonna, after you do that, you're gonna click create new store. Then you're gonna click an online store, an in-person retail store, an existing website or blog, online marketplace, social media. So for example, if you only sell on Amazon or Etsy or something and you wanna connect it to Shopify, you can do that, but we're gonna do an online store and then we're gonna click next. All right, then it's like, what best describes you? I'm not selling yet, I'm already selling online or in person. I'm just doing I'm already selling online or in person. Oh, no, we're not. I'm not selling yet. Products I buy or make myself. Digital products, services. We're gonna do products I buy or make myself. And then look, here's the thing, basic. Oh, I was talking about $14.99, but it's $39, I guess now. But it says $1 US. For a limited, get subscription credits equal to 1% of your sales. Up to 75. What is this? Man, they get smart, don't they? This is why I had Shopify stock for so long. They figured out a way. We're gonna do try basic. Oh, we gotta put our credit card number in. It says auto renews February 21st for $39 a month. Change or cancel your plan anytime. Let's go back and see if we do skip. I'll decide later. So we're gonna decide later on. All right, so now we're in our Shopify homepage, you see? So the very first thing you're gonna wanna do is, you're gonna wanna go choose a theme. So you're gonna go to online store and you're gonna go to themes. Then you're gonna go here and you're gonna pick, oh look, it gives you a free theme. Added 5 minutes ago. So let's click customize and see what the theme looks like. Not bad, look, it's got you can put your logo here. It's got the home page with your products. So if you want, you can just start with this theme, but this is just the little gist of it, guys, but I'm gonna screen record another time and I'll show you in depth, all right? Subscribe to the channel, guys, if you wanna learn how to build a Shopify store. I will build one and I'll show you. And make sure you turn on notifications. If you guys don't have notifications on, you're not gonna see when I post some of the videos that provide value, like ones like these that I show, like building a Shopify store, running ads. And look, if I can do it with kids running around and chaos and all that stuff, you guys can do it. So subscribe to the channel and thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Subscribe to the channel, guys. I'll see you on the next video.